everyone, my name is Maddie and welcome to our Early Childhood Corner here at Children's Museum Houston. Today we will be doing a fun counting activity with a DIY shark and some goldfish, and then we will sing a song at the end. And today's activity is sponsored by Catherine G. McGovern and the McGovern Foundation, and is also funded in part by the City of Houston through Houston Arts Alliance. Let's begin. Okay, so for today's activity, you are going to need a toilet paper roll, a picture of a shark, some glue, and you also need some scissors and some goldfish, preferably the colorful ones. And you can also use a piece of blue paper to represent the ocean. So first, I'm going to take my shark and I'm going to cut him out. Then I have to make sure to cut an opening in his mouth. So I'm just going to fold him and make a little slit. Then cut an opening. Now with my shark cut out, I'm going to go ahead and take my glue stick and add some glue around the base of the toilet paper roll. Now I'm also going to put some around the mouth of the shark. I have to make sure my opening of the shark is on the opening of the toilet roll, and then I can press it down. And then you can also decorate your toilet paper roll and add fins to your shark if you would like. And then you can take some goldfish out, put them on the blue paper so like they're in the ocean. And then you can count with your little one. See how many fish the shark can eat. And then if you really want to challenge them, you can also ask them, how many green fish can the shark eat? So then take your green goldfish, set them aside, then ask your little one to put them in the shark's mouth and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then maybe you want to ask them, can you put 2 orange fish inside the shark's mouth? Then you take 2 orange ones. 1, 2. Then you might want to ask them, can you put 1 red goldfish in the shark's mouth? Take 1 red one, put it in the shark's mouth. And then once your toilet paper roll is full, you can dump out your goldfish and count all over again. And see how many goldfish you can fit inside the shark's mouth. You can also ask your little one to just put as many goldfish as they can inside the shark's mouth. And once it is full, then you can dump it out. And then ask your little one to sort the colors. So you can take the red one here, dark orange ones here, light orange here, and all the green ones there. So this simple activity can encourage early numeracy skills in your child, and it can also help them sort colors. And we can't do a shark activity without singing our favorite shark song. So grab your toilet paper roll shark or a stuffed animal or a puppet and sing along with me. On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark doo 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 doo, baby shark. Mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark doo 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 doo, mommy shark. Daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark doo 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 doo, daddy shark. Yay! Great job, everyone.
Thank you for joining us today for our Early Childhood Corner here at Children's Museum Houston. We hope you enjoyed today's activity, so don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and to follow us on social media for more activities to do at home. My name is Sharky, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!